Want to be emotionless to cope with whatever life throws at you? Sometimes enough is enough, and it's vital to take a step back from emotional pain or social interactions to regain your balance. Creating some distance can be beneficial as long as you keep yourself engaged in meaningful activities that align with your goals. Focus on maintaining relationships that enrich your life while avoiding emotional entanglements that drain you. Letting go of past emotions, managing expectations, and seeking professional therapy if needed can help you move forward. Clearly defining what you want in life empowers you to communicate your desires effectively and say no to anything that doesn't serve your interest. Building mutually beneficial relationships can enhance your journey, and it's okay to limit small talk and social obligations to protect your time and energy. Ultimately, taking these steps can lead to greater emotional well-being and personal success.